A student requested me, saying, "Sir, we want to join your paid course program, but we don't have 11,000. So, I have a big announcement for you. We have made this course absolutely free." Alright, so our live training program is now completely free, and it runs for 7 days. We hold live classes every day at 4 p.m. on Google Meet. I've made this completely free for the entire month. Alright, here we'll be learning Google Ads in an advanced way. We'll also learn how to run Google Ads for free. Pay-per-call, CPM marketing, affiliate marketing, AdSense, drop servicing, and meta ads. We'll cover all of this in detail and practically during the live meetings. Okay, so if you also want to join this course, there are a few conditions you'll need to follow. The very first thing is, you have to subscribe to the channel. You also need to like the video you're watching right now. You have to leave a comment. The comment is up to you. If you want to leave a positive comment, go ahead and do that. If you want to leave a negative comment, that's fine too, but you must comment. You also need to share this video on at least one platform. Whether you share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram, that's totally up to you. Wherever you want to share it, it's your choice. In the middle of this video, you'll see an image of decoding ads. There will be a coupon code written on it, and you need to message me that coupon code on WhatsApp. As soon as you message me that coupon code on WhatsApp, I'll enroll you in the course. And that too, absolutely free. Okay, so I'll only enroll you when you message me the coupon code. Otherwise, I won't enroll you. So, the upcoming video will have the coupon code somewhere in the middle, so go and watch it. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. I think everyone must have seen the thumbnail. In this video course, we're going to show how much actual amount we can withdraw with the help of pay-per-call. With the help of clients. Okay, so let me make it very clear. The very first thing is about a question. I get asked a lot about what services we actually provide. Look, I'm just telling you the most basic things that we do. First of all, we provide every type of call ad. If you need to create any kind of call, we provide every type of call ad. Alright, but we do have some important conditions. If any prospective client wants to receive calls, they will need to first deposit the full amount into their designated Google Ads account, and then, subsequently, we will run the advertising campaigns for them. Break time equals 0.5s/. Okay, so that's the simple condition we follow. The client has to deposit the amount themselves, and our only job is to run the ads. What types of ads do we run? First of all, we run airline ads. Look, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how much amount we generate and what exactly we do here that helps us make a decent amount. Alright, so here we run ads for amounts. We run ads for airlines. We also run ads for pest control items. We run ads for roofing items. We run ads related to car rentals. We run ads for solar as well. Basically, whatever type of ad you can find in the market, we run every single type of ad. We also have some ad options where we promote ClickBank, and with very little spending, we are able to generate sales from there. Alright, we also run CPA ads, CPM marketing ads, and affiliate marketing ads as well. So, all types of ads that are possible through Google Ads, whether they are black hat ads or white hat ads, we run every type of ad. And the best thing about us is that whatever ads we run, the first thing is that there is very little chance of suspension. Suspension hardly ever happens. The second thing is, as I said, the first thing is that there won't be any suspension. The second thing is that our CPC will be very low. Whatever items we promote, our CPC will always be very low. Now, the question comes up, how do we actually charge money? Our simple approach is that whatever ad cost we are spending, the total ad cost we spend in a day, and the conversions we deliver, we charge 10 to 15% of that. It depends on the client. We charge 10 to 15% of the ad cost. So, for example, if I run an ad for 1,000 rupees, then my fee is 100 rupees. So that's how we work. And what happens with this is that, you see, the client also gets a lot of flexibility. The client also gets an idea of how well the person on the other side is working. So, everyone gets to know everything, So, that's the main thing. So basically, that's how we work, and that's how we get results in a good way. Our main concept is that we base everything on CPC. Now, as you can see, we've run ads up to this much cost. Okay. Apart from this, we've also run ads for much higher amounts. So, if someone is working in pay-per-click, right, and they have just 2 good clients coming in. 2 good clients are coming in whose daily spend is decent. If each is spending at least around 1 lakh rupees, then you could easily make 4 to 5 lakh rupees monthly from pay-per-call. It's very easy to make that much money in pay-per-call. You can easily earn that much from pay-per-call if you put in the effort. If you learn pay-per-call properly, you'll be able to make that much money very easily. Alright, so if you want good knowledge of pay-per-call, if you want to learn pay-per-call properly, you can contact below. The entire course is running for free. You can join it, so that's the thing, yes, you can easily make 4 to 5 lakh rupees monthly from pay-per-call. The services we provide in pay-per-call are of different types. I've already told you about things like airline calls, pest control, and all these things. Okay, so that's the thing I wanted to discuss with you all. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. I hope you now understand how bright the future of pay-per-call is and that this industry is about to boom. It's going to boom even more now because everyone is moving towards call ads. Okay, so I would say you should definitely learn this skill in digital marketing. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much.